Welcome back, everybody, soul and succulent tribe. Thank you for coming back and gracing me with your presence in this beautiful spring morning in the valley. It was so lovely to be able to walk and breathe in the pollen and sneeze all day long. Just kidding. But yes, thank you very much for coming. And we decided today to walk and get our steps in because it's so beautiful, and the scenery, it just makes your soul feel so good. This one needs to be potted now. This one too, and this one. This guy right here. Nothing, just leaves falling off. I don't know. But I think this is going to bounce back. Okay, guys, so my next trick, I got this nice cute planter just like the one I just finished making, but this is the green one, and I have this mini MONSTERA. See the yellow leaf? Why is that? Because this one never produced any roots. I don't know what that white stuff is. I think maybe that might be a root coming out, maybe. So I'll just leave this guy. I'm gonna take that out. Maybe that's where it's gonna come out. I don't know. And just leave this in here. Or maybe I'll just put it in with the rest. But the rest is like healthy roots. See? Healthy roots right there. That other one, I just don't know. Maybe this one needs to be in soil? I don't know. I'm not about to guess. It's always anything in nature is whatever it is. You can't dictate nature. That's why. All right, so I'm going to make another one of my wonderful concoction here. And that is my worm casting, some soil, but this one is going to be I don't know if I should make this one too wet. The other one was too wet, so I'm just getting some of that moisture in here, sopping it up. Where is my glasses? I keep forgetting my glasses. I'm old. So I will add worm casting. This is like newly harvested right here. You know, I thought that the worms will eat paper. I guess not. Maybe they didn't like the type of paper that I put in there because it's from a bill. Haha. Some water in there. Not too much. So it's not to be too soppy and wet. And since I have been putting on my gloves so I don't have to get dirt in my nails. You know, when you're working, that kind of looks gross because people think that you're just not very clean. So, in the spirit of looking clean, I must put my gloves on. And you know what? If this dies, then it dies. There's nothing I can do about it, but I will give it a chance to live in soil. Maybe that's what it needs. So we'll try it. If it dies, it dies. If not, then 100% perfect. So you don't want your plants to be propagating in water for so long. Like this one has been in there too long. Once it's about 2 inches, the roots are about 2 inches, they are ready to go in the soil. And you got to keep it moist because they've been used to being in water. Look at how pretty this planter is. So cute. You know what? I'm going to start without this. And this is a Monstera minima, which is a mini Monstera. Those Monsteras are big. I don't even know if I want to own one, even though they're so pretty. They're so pretty. Look at this. So it's going in there like that. Like this. Ta-da! Ta-da! Just get it cleaned up a little bit. And I'm gonna put rocks. There you go. Oh, how cute. How cute is that? So pretty. I'm dreading the day that I have to repot my begonia. It needs to be repotted. So I'm gonna have to do that in the summer, or maybe this week, next weekend, maybe, because it is getting huge. There we go. Perfect. This is going to work with me. Oh, to get some life. I mean, there's life, but not like nice green life. Yeah, yeah. There you go. How pretty is that?